Here's an app called Cricut Design Space. So let's just tap to get it and then double click to install and find. So from idea to I did it, find projects to customize or make as is, get set up in a few steps, follow step-by-step instructions, search thousands of high-quality images, easily edit images, text, and fonts, connect with the Cricut community, enjoy total creative freedom over your next do-it-yourself project with Cricut Design Space, design, cut, or draw by connected to Cricut Explore. Start your project or browse thousands of images ready to make projects and unique fonts in the image library. Create from anywhere, anytime. Inspiration sparks with cloud-based syncing across devices. Makes the most of every last scrap with the Snap Mat feature. Connect your compatible Cricut cutting machine with a Bluetooth connection. So yeah, you can then just open it up. And the thing is, you need to have this kind of machine here, and then you need to process with Cricut.com to sign in, and then you just can sign in and start creating all these different arts and all these different cool art projects right from the app, and then it will be printing as you can see here on the image, and then can really create items you never thought you would be able to create. So it's super addicting. You can create all these birthday cards, postcards, some really cool design items to colorize your home and all of that. So try it out.